Butterflied leg lamb is much easier to prepare as it cooks much faster. Paired with this Chermoula sauce, a North African sauce which is a close cousin of the Latin American chimichurri, makes a very delicious dinner. Let's go ahead and prep for this recipe. So what I have here is coriander, cumin, some paprika, garlic, 1.5 lemons. I'm going to use my pili pili sauce as the source of heat for this. For the herbs, I have some parsley, I have cilantro, mint, and some scallions. So I went ahead and washed this cilantro and parsley and also picked all the stems that I'm going to save for my stews, soups, or my masalas. Just separate this, then just fold this and just chiffon it or cut them into very nice ribbons. Just like so. In the meanwhile, our cast iron is heating. We need it very hot. Our knife work is all done here for the parsley and cilantro. Set it aside. This cast iron is super hot. Attach vegetable oil. Start searing the lamb leg. As the lamb leg sears, I got some mint here. Into the bowl. Finely mince 2 scallions, slash it across, and then just, you can use shallots or red onions. This gets added into the bowl. In the meanwhile, a good time to look at our leg of lamb and give it a turn. Look at that beautiful sear. This whole pan goes into the oven until the leg is fully cooked. Now, back onto our chermoula. Add some garlic, coriander, cumin, paprika, zest 1 lemon, cut this lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl. That's juice of 1.5 lemons. Add about 1/4 cup olive oil to start. I will adjust as needed. Season, salt and pepper. This is pili pili sauce or peri peri, a very close cousin of harissa. I'm going to add like a teaspoon or so of this. Is very hot. You want to be careful with this. If you don't have this, you can definitely use hot peppers. I have a recipe for this. I'm going to share it right on top. So for this, just bring everything together. We need a little bit more olive oil in here. That is good to me. Get another spoon here, give it a taste to see where the flavors are. You need a good amount of acidity, the olive oil, nice balance. That tastes so good. This leg of lamb looks like it's done for me. So as it rests, I'm going to drizzle it with some of this sauce here. My personal preference is between medium rare and medium, and this looks good to me. This leg of lamb is all rested. All we need to do now is just cut into it. Oh, look at that beautiful color. Have a look at this. Nice, beautiful pink in the inside. That's what I'm looking for personally. You can make yours to any temp that you desire. What a beauty. If you have somebody looking for a little bit done or towards the medium, the center is a little bit thin, so that is slightly cooked through. I will set this on a platter, ready to go to the table. Drizzle this beautiful chermoula right on top, and you got yourself a delicious roast lamb leg. My time to enjoy this lamb leg. Nice pinkish rub into this sauce. The marinade gives it very good flavors. You know, the parsley, cilantro, the spices. So friends, there you have it. Our butterflied lamb leg with chermoula sauce is very delicious, easy to make. So if you are looking for a recipe to do for your holidays, or even for one of these nights to entertain or for your family, there you have it. A very easy recipe to do. Chermoula sauce goes with almost anything. It's perfect for roast meat, it's perfect for chicken, perfect for fish, seafood. Just drizzle it on anything and you got yourself a delicious sauce. It holds very well for a couple of days. The color will disappear definitely, but it will keep fresh and the flavors will still be there. Just give it a try and you're going to enjoy it. Just remember, subscribe, leave comment down below what you think about this video. Give me a like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.
I'm as happy as a child on Christmas. I've made my wish and it came true.